All right, guys, so this is our homework review for lesson 5 in our Eureka math workbook. This was Friday's lesson, and our I can statement was, I can solve word problems involving the division of whole numbers with the answers in the form of fractions or whole numbers. Number 1 says, when someone donated 14 gallons of paint to Rosedale Elementary School, the 5th grade decided to use it to paint murals. They split the gallons equally among the 4 classes. Question A, how much paint did each class have to paint the mural? So if you have 14 gallons, which is our big rectangle, and you want to split it between 4 classes, your division expression is going to be 14 divided by 4. You could write this as an improper fraction as well. 14 divided by 4. Or if you convert this improper fraction to a mixed number, it would be 3 2/4. Remember, 2/4 can be simplified by dividing the top and bottom number by 2, making your answer 3 1/2. So each class will have 3 1/2 gallons of paint for their mural. Question B, how much paint will 3 classes use? So if you have 3 classes, 1, 2, 3, and each class uses 3 1/2 gallons, you could do multiplication, 3 times 3 1/2, or repeated addition, 3 1/2 plus 3 1/2 plus 3 1/2. If you combine all of your whole numbers, you're going to get 9. If you combine 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, you'll have 3 halves. This is an improper fraction, so go ahead and convert that to a mixed number. So your new equation will be 9 plus 1 1/2, not 1/12. Sorry about that. There. So what is 9 plus 1 1/2? It's 10 1/2. Question C. If 4 students share 30 square foot wall equally, how many square feet of the wall will be painted by each student? So here's our big 30-foot wall, and we're going to split it into 4 sections for the 4 students. So your division expression can be 30 divided by 4. Your improper fraction may look like this, 30/4. If you change your improper fraction to a mixed number, you'll have 7 2/4. If you simplify 7 2/4, that will give you 7 1/2. We've been practicing our long division with fraction answers, so let's go 4 into 30. 4 can fit into 30 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 equals 2. So your remainder is going to be 2/4. If you simplify 7 2/4, you will get 7 1/2. Finally, what fraction of the wall will each student paint? So if you have one wall and you have the 4 students, you're going to go ahead and split that one wall into 4 sections, and your division expression will be 1 divided by 4. Your improper fraction will be 1 divided by 4. So each student will only get to paint 1/4 of the wall. Good luck with today's assignment, and I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful day.